Hi, it's One Man. You're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at another video I've been doing. It's like a little series, but it's a guy who pranks people in the gym. He dresses up as an old guy, and he goes in there and he lifts out the gym. You know what I'm saying? So it's super funny to see the reactions. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. Guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that sub button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you would do if this guy rolled up in your gym doing this. I'll see you guys later.
Come on. Yep. Good technique. Let's go. One more. Come on. Yep. 6, 7.
This one for biceps, yeah? Yeah, for biceps.
Come on, bro. Yes. Go.
There's no way this man was struggling with that and he's gonna take up that weight and do it. There's no way.
Yeah. Maybe I sit here. Huh? Where are you from, guys?
Indonesia.
Well, nice. I'm from Ukraine.
Oh, Ukraine.
Ukraine, yeah. Focus on biceps, yeah? Yeah.
How old are you?
17.
Huh?
Let's go. One more. Yeah.
17?
In my heart, 17. In my heart. Can I do with you?
Yeah, sure.
One set.
If you can.
Yeah, one set.
Okay.
Yeah. I see you on TikTok. In TikTok, yeah.
Oh yeah, my friend, he's a TikToker, influencer.
You're famous, yeah, in TikTok.
My friend, he's a model. You want to see?
Can I do with you? Okay.
Yes, sure.
Oh, together, yeah? Oh,
You know how to
together.
do it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh. Come on. Oh.
The fact that he was about to allow this old man to try that is wicked.
Oh, brother, I need more weights. More weights, yeah, more plates.
What's funny about this is he's doing one set, so that's why it's worked so well.
Give me 1 minute, say.
Friend, I use TikTok.
No, I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like TikTok?
I don't like. I like TV.
This one.
I like TV, news,
Newspaper.
and films, newspaper.
Oh, like the old stuff. This
I
is
said
my friend.
newspaper.
Oh, great. Yeah,
He likes to, work out.
very good.
This guy's gonna know he's getting pranked because you're struggling with this and then you're gonna go take up something heavier.
Oh, give me 1 minute. I'm sure, bro. Yeah. I'm relaxing in the moment. Oh, maybe you support me.
Support, okay.
Support, yeah. Yep. And this. Wait. Yep. Oh.
He said,
Maybe
wait.
it's little light for me.
Oh.
It's
Heavy?
no, it's little for me.
It's light.
Lightweight. It's big weight for me. Give me 1 second.
Are you sure about it?
I'm sure, brother. It's good weight.
I kind of don't like this machine because I feel like it's pressing the shit out of my chest.
Yeah. Oh.
Do you need help? Whoa, this is heavier.
This is good, bro.
This is heavier.
No.
45.
It's little.
45. He's not curling that shit,
I'm
bro.
sure, brother. I'm okay. Bite my
Maybe
back.
I don't know what the 32 kg is.
Oh. Yeah, it's good. Oh. Very good. Oh. Yep. Oh. Up. 2. Up. Very good. Up. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Up. Yep. Lightweight. Up. 1. 2.
This
3.
is shocking. No lie. Okay, thank you. Yo. Do they not see the camera? This nigga. I've never even seen that before.
I'm sorry. Very good. Хорошая. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Oh.
You're back okay?
My back.
What would be wrong with his back? He just outlifted you, man.
Thank you, brother. Nice to meet you. Enjoy. I'm older, but I'm young in my heart, brother.
Can you lift this? No, I don't think so.
Listen, brother.
And you see?
Good set, good day, good week, good month,
life.
great life. technique. Good technique.
I've never seen this machine like this
Nice to
before.
meet you. Yeah. Right.
The abductors. I've never seen a machine like that
Are you next,
before.
brother?
There's no
Right,
seat.
yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
One set and he's done, so you
See
know.
you.
Claps.
Oh. Oh. Come on. Come on. Lightweight. Come on, bro.
It is lightweight for him.
Come on. One more. One more. One more. Yep. Good. Let's go. One more. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Up. Oh, I'm sorry. I do this. It's for abs, yeah? Yeah, nice.
Oh, he's gonna definitely show her his abs.
Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
Bro, you're joking. You want to hurt yourself?
No, I'm sure, brother. I'm sure. For quads. Yeah? Alright.
So you're not even lifting that heavy.
Can I do it with
That's
you?
like a 45 to 15
Yeah,
foot, I see.
really. I'm sure, bro. He's good, like for me. Yeah. Good. He's good weight, brother. And good muscle.
Good weight.
It's natural arms.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Stop saying, don't say of course.
Dumbbell press. Yeah, I am sure. I'm sure, bro. I'm sure. Oh. Oh. Give me 1 minute, okay? It's my morning routine. Oh. Oh. Maybe can I show you the
Morning
best
routine,
technique?
do squats and pull-ups.
Okay? I show you. Yeah. 2 plates not good, but 3 plates is good. 3 plates is good.
I feel like this black guy is the only man that gave a damn about this thing's well-being.
Oh.
Because he said no.
What do you want to do?
This little word for me, bro.
It work for you?
Yeah, it's good for me. Oh. 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 45, yeah, it's good. Oh.
You sure you can do this?
Yeah, I'm sure, bro. Oh. 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 Oh.
This guy's probably like, yo, this black guy is so goddamn wicked.
You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna get hernia.
No, bro,
Be
it's
careful.
good.
I'll be here.
No, good.
You sure?
Yeah.
He said hernia.
Oh. Oh. No. Oh. 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 Yep.
Slowly, slowly.
Yo.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Man disrespecting the guy with the muscle ups, bro. No core muscle. Oh, I've never seen that myself. Alternating kicking muscle ups. This guy's different.
And this. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I feel like that's not as hard. The kicking on that muscle up
I
thing.
do
But
this bullshit all day. Oh. Oh. It's for abs. For abs, okay? Oh. 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 Good set, brother. This technique is very good for abs. Oh. Thank you. Are you next, bro? Come on. Come on. Are you next? I do this
guy's
exercise
so
every
funny.
morning. Every morning, but my abs. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Are you? You next? Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
yo, I'm dead.
Oh, my back is pain. Oh. Thank you, brother.
You gonna put the weights
you.
back? Well, thank you, brother.
Yeah. Lightweight. Lightweight, bro.
That's kind of crazy.
Let's go.
Maybe this black guy's exhausted.
Good, brother. Go. And up, yeah. Good. Very good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Not too
Thank
bad,
you,
nigga. You
brother.
can't do that. Shut up.
Are you next?
No, I'm done.
Yeah. No? Okay.
After that, he's definitely good.
Come on. Good. Yeah. Let's go. Good. Good technique. Yeah, it's good, brother. It's for back, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. One more. One more. Yeah. Oh. I'm sorry, brother. It's for back, yeah?
Yeah, for back.
Good. For back. For you back on my back. Come on. Can I go with you? Okay?
You can do one, I'll buy a beer.
Oh, okay.
You stand up straight. Right.
Yeah.
This way?
Yes, this way. Yeah.
bro, you're only doing like a 15-pound plate and a 45. Why guys keep doing that?
No, it's good weight. Yeah, gonna help me and support, yeah.
Good stability.
This good?
Yeah,
No?
this is very good.
Oh,
Keep going more.
this big weights for me.
Yes.
How much weight?
You need help?
No. It's good weight for me. 170. Oh, yeah, I'm sure. Yeah.
The fact that he's pretend shaking, his joints are so strong. Bro, this guy's actually naturally crazy, bro, because he can lift heavy and he can do calisthenics. Like, it's actually wild. Not overly jacked, he's like ripped, but it's still crazy.
Easy weight.
Very good.
Yo, their faces are so funny. Man doing everything he can.
Reps, brother. Very good. That's great. Good.
Very good.
Good. Thank you.
Strong.
Yes, thank you. You're strong.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're big. I'm old, but I'm young in my heart.
Good,
Thank
good
you.
muscle.
You're good muscle, brother. Nice tattoo. Nice tattoo. Thank you, brother. See you. Good luck. Enjoy, brother. Thank you. Thank you.
Honestly, I don't know what I would do if somebody came in my gym and did this as an old person. I probably wouldn't be looking at them because I try not to look at people, but it is so funny. And as I said, this guy is naturally actually a monster. Like, he's not a jacked, big ass person, but he is strong. The man can lift heavy. He can do calisthenics. It's crazy. Don't forget to hit that like and sub button if you're new. I'll see you guys later.